Hi, I'm Nidhi from National Vidya Foundation. Over 23 years, I've guided over 3,000 students away from MBBS pitfalls abroad. Welcome to day 21 of my 30 case studies. Foreign internships don't replace India's compulsory internship. Raj from Gwalior is in his fourth year at a Nepal Medical University. His consultant said he'd get his license right after passing FMGE. But under NMC rules, even after FMGE, all foreign graduates must do a 12-month CRMI internship in India. Raj is now researching NMC-approved hospitals and worried about extra costs. The lesson? Foreign internship does not equal permanent registration. CRMI in India is mandatory. Don't risk your future. Visit www.consultwithsiddharth.in today and book your free consultation.